So maybe they're putting it out right as we speak.
Yes, all those people's clothes. We'll let you know.
I didn't want to think about it.
Research shows when children hit middle school, a lot of them give up all those soccer games and their regular physical activity.
In tonight's Family First, CBS 2's Cindy Hsu shows us the fun way schools are getting kids off the couch and back into action.
Indian dance, tap, Latin, ballroom, step. You name it, they're doing it at MS 226 in South Ozone Park, Queens.
It makes me healthier every day, gets good exercise, your muscles grow bigger.
That's the whole point of the Champs Sports and Fitness League, which runs programs in New York City schools before and after class. While these students are showing off what they've learned in the dance program, other schools have chosen all sorts of activities to get students active.
So we have everything from traditional sports like basketball and tennis, non-traditional sports like wrestling and lacrosse and fencing.
The students are committed, practicing 2 hours either before or after school several times a week. They even made their own costumes.
Yeah, I think it's fun, inspirational, and it's enjoyable at the same time. We get healthy. I mean, like, it's an everyday thing. I mean, before we dance, we work out, we exercise, we flex.
Champs started 3 years ago in 40 schools. Now it's in more than 200. The instructors are often teachers at the school, like Avita Nepal, who covers science and health in class, and Indian dance afterwards.
Their grades have skyrocketed because of their motivation, and their self-esteem has built so much that they feel confident in themselves.
CHAMPS stands for cooperative, healthy, active, motivated, positive students, and that's a perfect description of these kids. Cindy Hsu, CBS 2 News.
The program is paid for by the Department of Education, SNAPL, and the Sports and Arts in Schools Foundation. The goal is to get CHAMPS into all New York City middle schools and eventually elementary schools as well.
Could use it around here.
Can you imagine? Bring it into the workplace, right?
Get John Bolaris off the couch, finally.
Hey.
Hey, you couch potato.
No couch potato here.